Hello and welcome to a GreenManVideo. I'm Matt. In this video I'm going to be talking about connecting your PS3 to a television using a HDMI cable. So I'm just going to show you the back of the PS3 and where it plugs in, and just talk a little about, is it worth using a HDMI cable or should you just use AV cables to connect your PS3 to your television. Right, so I've moved everything out of the way, and I've pulled my PS3 out so you can see the back of it, and it's quite hot here really because the fans are right here and it's quite hot if you just put your hand there. So we've got the on switch there, and then we've got the power cable, power lead, and the fan, and then here you've got an Ethernet local area network cable link. So if you're not using wireless, you use an Ethernet cable. Then here we've got a HDMI cable, so that's connected to my television at the moment, giving out a high definition picture for games and DVDs, etc. And then here we've got a digital audio cable going to my television. That's not really doing anything at the moment because I've not got it connected to any digital speakers. And then we've got the AV cables, but that's just plugged in and that's not doing anything, it's just the other end's not connected. So is it really worth using a HDMI cable instead of the AV which you get with the PS3 system? Well, it doesn't look much different compared to HD and AV, because when I first got the PS3 I didn't have a HDMI cable straight away, and when I switched from AV to HDMI I couldn't really tell much different, but it probably is different a bit. But I mean, if you've got a HD TV, you may as well get a HDMI cable, because you spent the money on that HD television, so you may as well use it for the HD function on it, HD screen. So I'll just show you the other end on my television now, how that's connected to the back as well. So that's the back of my PS3 and the HDMI cable and the AV. Right, so I'm at the back of my television now, and these are all the cables going into my television. There's quite a lot really, and this is the HDMI cable here, which is coming from my PlayStation 3 and then into the HDMI port there. There's a second HDMI port there, so you can see it says there HDMI in, and that's the second one. And then there's another one here. So this television has got 3 HDMI ports. So I've got a PlayStation 3 plugged in here. I could also have a Sky HD box, and maybe a HD camcorder plugged in. So HDMI is kind of taking over SCART and AV. So their AV cables there. So if you've got any questions, I'll just take this out. If you've got any questions about HDMI cables or setting up your PS3 or something to do with televisions or anything like that, just leave a comment on this video or send me a message. So this is just a bit of information about HDMI cables and connecting it to your PS3 using your TV to display your PS3. And so if you're going to get a HDMI cable, you need a HD TV, and if you're getting a PS3 then just get a HDMI cable. You may as well really, don't use AV, get a HDMI. So thank you for watching this video. See ya.
Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye and for watching GreenManVideos.